let's cruise. Down Main Street here, I'm following behind Don Stevenson, great guy. In front of us I got Steve Migliori, and we're just cruising. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna make our one pass, and then we're gonna park, and then we're gonna jump out, and then we're gonna get the loop of everybody coming by. So like I said, a little different tonight, but it is cruise night. I've decided to change it up a bit, and hopefully you guys like it this way. I don't know, it's a little different than what we're used to. As you can see, I can even go out the window, get out there. Probably not the smartest idea I've ever had, but then again, I'm not known for having smart ideas, but we'll see how that goes. All right, we keep on rolling. On up. Okay, I'm gonna switch batteries here. Look at this, guys. It is a big. I have no idea what I'm looking at. Back in we go. Hooking up to the battery again. Okay, hopefully we've got some battery power. Let's see, it looks like we got some battery power. Good. All right, here we go. Out on the street, we are rolling live. Keep paying attention to the road. Coming in again here. Let me get a little tilt down. So yeah. Like again, doing it just a little bit different than what you're probably used to seeing. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and come on back out again. A lot of cruising today, folks. Wednesday night, it's cruise night. I can hear a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna make our first pass here, and then that's probably gonna be it for us. And then we're gonna come and jump out and see if we can't get in on the on some of the street action. And we are rolling Main Street now. Looks like I didn't get a chance to really jump in and get the lead in. Oh, there goes the train whistle I did. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to find a spot and be able to get out in time to actually do anything here, but we'll see. I'll give it a try. And, yep, we've got power. Might get lucky. You never know. Get Dylan live here in a second. I haven't cruised in, gosh, since, I haven't really cruised since we lost Dano. So this is actually my first time in the cruise line in a long, long time. In fact, you know what? I never get to honk that, so why not? We got all kinds of people out here in the dining area enjoying. We got a train whistles honking and horning and everything else. Trying to keep my power twisted up here so my battery stays on. With a little luck, I can twist right into here if this car doesn't get me. I am crossing my fingers. Ah, bummer. I was so hoping I'd get lucky on that one, but didn't happen. not so lucky. There's Tammy. All right. A little different perspective tonight. What's up? Yeah, doing it POV style. There we go, there we go. There's the little man right there. Haha, we trade tonight. What is up? Oh, my camera's flipping. Good to see you, buddy.
You too.
All right, well, we are shooting, like I said, a little differently than normal. And there's no parking over here, so I'm going to keep on around. All right, guys, see you in a few.
Do it.
PCTV, YouTube, catching the last half of the roll. All right, I drove. For once, I rode. I cruised. So I'm going to catch the back half. Here come the hooligans. Hey, what is up there, my friend? I had to get a cruise in for once. Shooting in the sun here. Gotta love it. There's Tom. What's up? Guys, I'm out now. Ah, I got out. I'm gonna be over your shoulder, bud. All right, I got Dylan here now. I rode in the car. He got me. Look at that. We got Jerry. Devin.
Not new. Next one.
Did Gino write it down?
Huh?
Gino with the 60.
Yeah, what about Gino? You guys, what about Gino?
He made it down.
I know. Gino's get down. What's up, you guys? Sean and Donna. I know, that was so cool that he showed up. And now I guess he owns the truck now, finally.
Yeah. Wow. Neville.
Mr. Bailey.
Baby. Wow.
This kid.
My dad in the 65.
There we go.
Dad.
70 El Camino.
70,
70.
71, 70.
One of my favorites.
That's so good.
There's Aaron in the OBS, and there's a little OBS, the ones you aren't that wild about. They're like, they're okay. Listen to this thing though, dude. This thing is sick. Hey, there he is. Mike Miller. Oh, and there's Tom Ringland. We got Dylan doing this thing.
The right. I think that's on the right.
And there's Brownie.
Oh, the brownie truck.
Andy!
Is that thing on hydros or is that this man?
I know, I love that truck though. It's so cool. And of course Roger.
Roger.
And his insanity. You got a pigeon stuck in that there horn or what?
Second time.
Roll fit? He better blow that train whistle. I worked hard on that. That looks like Ed Hodges. Where's Ed Hodges? Hey Ed, how you doing, buddy? Rolling over Dylan's shoulder today. guy who designed that. Here you go, guys. Hey, we're sharing today. Poodle. He's got a hood on it. Or no, this is a different one. Oh, it's a different one. Yeah, no, that's the 6-cylinder. He's got his hood on it. Riding the shoulder. Riding shoulder on Dylan. We got Tammy across the street and Greg Furlong. There we go. Wondering about him. Uh-oh, my battery's starting to die. Yeah, buddy. There goes Jack in the Studelac. Pete in the Suzy Q, looking great. There we go. And here comes our buddy Arthur. Ready to go. Arthur! Okay.
64, right?
Yeah, I think it's, yeah, it doesn't have knee knockers on it, so it should be a 64 or 65. And no knee knockers on it. I just shot a film the back of your head. Look at that. Look at the paint, dude. Look at that paint. Once again. Let's see here. Look good.
Got the 70.
That SS. Yep. Watch out for the guy on the bike. There's Dawn.
Got the 57.
And there's Darren again.
And Darren.
Chrissy can't stand getting her picture taken. Wow, we have got a line. Wow. Tom! Ah, Ed already came back around.
Wow, that's quick.
Yeah, he made a quick loop. There he is again. How'd you do that so fast?
I really am fast.
You are. You're very sneaky. You're very, very sneaky. Very sneaky. All right, here are the hooligans.
Hooligans. All three of them. Woo! Look at the little dog. We got dog.
Sorry. How's your arm working?
Huh?
How you like your smooth?
It's actually nice. The new one.
Yeah, it's cool, huh?
And I gave Johnny that other one.
Oh, good.
Yeah, so he's using that one.
Oh, good. That worked out great.
Yeah.
Cool. Scan it
This one, what
forward.
year is that one?
This should be a 32 or a 33. But you know what, dude? I'm really not that great on those. I know it's a 3-window coupe.
Yeah.
I know.
Never been that good.
Yeah. Try 5, no problem. We got those down all day long.
Right?
Yeah, this is the 67 notchback
we got
with the 6-cylinder.
mail back there, yeah.
And is that it, right?
We got mail all the way down there. We'll go walk over there.
You want to walk over there?
Sure.
Let's walk over there. Finish it up. Now you brought a chair. You had the right idea. All right, that's it. It's Arthur and it's Mel. We finish up the night with you. Take care, brother. All right, one more with Mel. Mel, take care, bro. All right, Dylan. That's it. We're gonna do Muskies next.